There were many memorable moments at Boys and Girls Champs 2017. But you know me already. Me like the flair and the personality to back up the talent and the performances. So the Mavericks' most memorable moment of this year's champs came in the Class 2 Girls 400 final, where St. Jago's Kimara Francis was in a battle royale with the defending champion from Veer. But it was Francis who found that extra gear and that extra push to win the gold medal triumphantly on the line. And as she glimpsed at the clock, realizing she was a new champion, she immediately bust the dance. hey, I did not know yet. Because out of the blue, in comes her St. Jago teammate, traveling like a missile to mow down the dancing Francis and join in the unorthodox celebrations. Now, aside from the potential danger to both young ladies, thank God none of them don't get hurt. But I love this moment. I love the personality, the color, the effervescence, and the flair. Gone are the days when athletes just win a race and raise them hand. Them days they're done. Athletes should and are enjoying themselves and enjoying their sport. Remember, after all, sport is entertainment. Plus, as Usain Bolt has demonstrated, there is a significant commercial component to exuding that kind of confidence and expressiveness to complement the performances. That is what track and field needs. As me said, there were many big moments and many big performances at Champs, but none of them to me like this maverick moment of Champs 2017.